Congratulations, jackpot, you've just won the lottery. Imagine it, hundreds of thousands if not millions of dollars are now instantly yours. So what are you going to spend all your money on? Luxury houses, supercars, tropical holidays in paradise, wild pool parties, jewellery, diamonds, everything you've always dreamed of. Well, here I am to throw a figurative bucket of cold water over your fantastical dream, because playing the lottery is without a doubt a complete waste of money. Do you know you're even more likely to get struck by lightning, survive a plane crash, become a movie star, or get killed by a coconut or a vending machine than win the lottery? That's right, more likely to get killed by a vending machine than win the lottery. Think about that next time you buy some snacks. If you agree that getting killed by a vending machine sounds like a horrible way to get killed, then please hit the like button below and pop a comment below this video as well. Clicking that like button and leaving a comment helps with the YouTube algorithm and tells YouTube to share my content with other people, and the more people who can see my videos, the more people I can help, so please help me to help as many people as possible. Thank you very much, I really do appreciate it. However, if you did manage to win the lottery, the scary fact is that winning the lottery could be a curse. An MIT study showed that lottery winners are more likely to go bankrupt than the average American 3 to 5 years after receiving their lump sum of lottery winnings. And there are countless examples of lottery winners not only losing it all, but whose lives are completely destroyed by their instant windfall of millions. So what went wrong for these people, and if winning the lottery is out of the question, how can the rest of us become wealthy? Well, what these people most probably lacked, and what most people in modern society lack, is financial literacy. Knowing how money truly works is one of the most important skills that you can learn in life, and yet they just don't teach us this in school. It's absolutely insane. We're even conditioned to believe that it's rude to talk about money, and that is just plain wrong. If people don't discuss their savings or investment strategies, how much money they make in the different ways that they're making their money, then how will any of us learn? We need to change our collective mindset about money, and I'm here to help. So what is financial literacy? Well, the definition of financial literacy, according to Investopedia, is the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. This also includes knowledge of various ways of making money and building wealth, knowledge of how taxes work, and how compound interest can work for you or against you. So why is financial literacy important? Well, without financial literacy and the ability to understand how to control your money, life could end up being pretty terrible. You could end up in debilitating amounts of debt for many, many years, and this could result in a bad credit score, which could ultimately end up delaying your ability to buy a home. You'll end up working overtime, still living paycheck to paycheck, scared of any emergencies that could come up at any minute because you just can't afford for one to happen. You'll be limiting your potential to earn pay rises from your current job and capping the total amount of money you can actually make. Money issues can cause serious stress and negatively affect your personal life. Money is known to be one of the main causes of serious and unresolved arguments within relationships. I'll leave a link to a National Institute of Health study in the description below on this exact topic. It's an eye-opener and definitely worth a read. And you could end up being constantly negative, which your friends and family will absolutely hate about you, in an endless bad mood, feeling depressed, anxious, and feeling trapped in a job you hate because you just can't afford to leave it. The worst case scenario is you could end up going bankrupt and ultimately becoming homeless. It all sounds really terrible, right? Who feels like that right now, or is living their life like that, or who knows someone who is? I've been there, that was me, and it was the absolute worst, and that's not how we should be living our lives. But it's not all doom and gloom, because there are some massive benefits to becoming financially literate. Just learning the basics of financial literacy could literally change your life for the better. People who are financially literate and make the most of this knowledge build themselves additional sources of income, they build businesses and employ people, creating jobs, they create a financial safety net for themselves so they never have to worry about emergencies in a financial sense. They can afford to take care of their loved ones and provide a good life for their families. They live relatively stress-free and follow their passions, learning how to make money from doing the things they love in life. Now, who wouldn't want that? They can concentrate on improving and enjoying their lives. They generally travel more and never have to say no to a new experience. And the most important thing of all is they get more of the most priceless thing that anyone has in their life: free time. Now, this all sounds absolutely wonderful, doesn't it? But how can you become financially literate, and is it too late for you to start? Well, the answer is an emphatic no. It's never too late to start, no matter what age you are. The first thing you need to know is exactly what you need to learn about. I mean, you don't know what you don't know, right? The main difficulty I found when trying to increase my financial intelligence and my financial literacy is that no one just lays it out for you and tells you exactly what topics to research. So I'm going to do that for you right here. Not only am I going to tell you the topics that you need to research, but if you don't want to do any of the research, you really don't have to worry, because I've already done it for you and I've made a series of videos explaining all the financial literacy basics. So you can just watch those videos after this one and jumpstart your own financial literacy journey today. So the big question is, what is the list of topics that you need to learn today to become financially literate and hopefully avoid all those horrible scenarios that I mentioned earlier? To get started on your path to becoming financially literate, you should learn about the following: how to make more money from your current career, 8 different income streams that rich people use to build wealth, how to spend less, learning to minimize your outgoings and expenditures, how to avoid bad debt, credit cards, afterpay, overdraft fees, payday loans, personal loans, etc. You need to learn about the power of compound interest, learn about budgeting and how to track your spending, learn the 5 essential savings funds that you should be building today, learn what investing is and how to begin investing. This could include property investments, cryptos, NFTs, stocks, EFTs, bonds, just to name a few. How to make more money, additional income ideas, side hustles and passive income. You need to understand property debt and mortgages, understand inflation, and understand taxes. If it all seems too much, then really don't worry, it is a lot easier than you think. To get started, make sure you check out the rest of my videos in my personal finances playlist. And if you are completely new to personal finances and you're just beginning your personal finance journey, then I really highly recommend you read or listen to the following books: Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Barefoot Investor by Scott Pape, I believe, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi, and FU Money by Dan Locke. There are affiliate links in the description below to each of these books. So like I said, I'm making a video series on these personal finance topics. In the next video, I'll be going over the ways that you can make more money from your day job. So make sure you check that video out after this one. Now, if you think there are any topics that I've missed off of this list to do with personal finance, or any personal finance topics that you'd like to learn about, then please let me know in the comments below and I shall check those out. But I do have to add here that I am definitely not a financial advisor and I'm not going to tell you what to do with your money. If you're new to my channel, the whole premise of this channel is a useless guy, that's me, challenging myself to 950 days of self-improvement, going from zero, fat, clueless and broke, and learning ways of improving my health, wealth, skills, knowledge and mindset, and working hard to become successful while sharing everything I learn with you guys so you can too. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure you click that like button below, and while you're down there, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to the channel. And if you know someone who struggles financially, basically if they have no financial skills at all, then make sure you share this video with them as well, and also share the video series with them. Also, while you're down there, make sure you hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I release a new video. Thanks for watching, and as always, if there is something that you want to do to improve your life, get it started, get it done. See you in the next one.